Hey everybody, how the science of getting rich helped me to rethink what success actually is. Cue the intro. Success? From reading this book, I used to think success was the achievement of the goal, the getting there. But success isn't the getting there. Success is in the steps that you take while you're getting there. One of the greatest things that I took away from the science of getting rich was the ability to give to somebody else the feeling that they're increasing also, because everybody in life wants to increase, especially in business. They want to feel like somehow by meeting you that they have actually increased. And that's one of the biggest takeaways that I got from the science of getting rich. It's authored by Wallace D. Wattles, and he was the one that was a precursor to all that secret crap and all that stuff. But he really kept it really simple and didn't go too deep off into the metaphysical. In fact, he actually says that you can lose yourself in that type of stuff. You have to keep it simple. You have to keep your daily actions going, and you have to have that mind state that that daily action that you're doing, you're already a success. Because just think about it. If you reverse engineer what successful people or so-called successful people have done, they've done something every day up to that point to where you actually thought that they were a success. And they did that every day. They do something every day, and that is success. And that's what I took away from The Science of Getting Rich by Wallace D. Wattles. I recommend you pick it up.